problem is to write a Python program to display a calendar. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushija and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to display a calendar. So guys, how interesting it would be if we will be able to see a calendar of a month of years ago, let's say 1,000 years ago or 100 years ago. If you want to see a calendar of a month, then Python makes it very easy for us to create a program which will allow us to display it. Let's have a look on how it can be done. So guys, to create this program, we will be needing a module called as calendar. So Python comes with a lot of packages, lot of modules over here, and one of the module is calendar. So we'll be writing import calendar, and from the calendar we will be using some functions. So I'll be writing a variable as well called as calendar is equals to, or you can write anything else as well. So if I write C is equals to calendar dot month. So dot month is a function. Inside this month we will be passing the year and the month. Now for this year and the month, let's take the input from the user. For year I'll be writing year is equals to int input and the year. Now we need to make sure that the user enters this year in a number. So we'll be writing enter year in number or in numbers. And similarly we'll be doing the same for the month. That month is equals to int input enter month in numbers. Once we have written this inside the calendar.month, that means inside the month function we'll be passing our year and month. After this, all we need to do is write print C. Let's run and see what output we will get over here. So enter year in numbers. So I'll be writing, let's say 1997. And I'll be writing a month, let's say number 10 month, that is October. So it will give me the month of October. That means it will give me the calendar of month of October, which has all the details, like it's written October 1997. It has all the days over here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And it has details of the dates that are falling on these days. If I run the program again and if I write any other year, let's say to 1200. Okay. And in that I'm talking about, let's say the first month. So it will give me the output like this, that January of 1200, and it will give me the calendar as well of that particular month. So I hope guys this is clear to you that how this program is created, and you can see in just 5 lines we have created a program that will allow us to display a calendar. All we need to do is import a module called as calendar over here. We need to take the user input from the user for the month and the year, and we need to make sure that the user writes it inside a number. So we have to mention over here that enter year in numbers. After that, we need to create a variable over here. You can create a variable with any name. Inside the variable, you can write calendar. That means the name of the module dot month attribute we'll be using. Inside this, we'll be passing 2 parameters, that is our year and the month. And lastly, we have to print it. So I hope you guys have no doubts and no question in how we have created this program. And for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.